Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Gold USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now. And if you have already short the market and you are in a profit right now, then you are doing a great job, because yes, there was a severe buying on the chart of gold USD. And if you have watched my other videos, previous video on Euro USD, then you were obviously ready for this up move, because I clearly mentioned on my previous video that though USD is in downtrend, but it has reached a very important support level. But to be honest, I was also not hoping that market will be so much bullish. Okay, I was just expecting a recovery. I also conveyed the same message that yes, we would be seeing some recovery on the USD chart, but I didn't hope that I was not anticipating that the recovery would be so much. Okay, and right now you can see that USD is extremely bullish right now. It has broke the resistance and right now it looks like a trend reversal. So in a market condition like this, okay, it is wise to wait for the perfect opportunity and do not enter in the middle, because as we all know, whenever dollar goes up, euro USD goes down, and when dollar goes down, euro USD goes up. Dollar was falling, euro USD was going up, and right now dollar is going up. As a result, euro USD is going down, and therefore this trend line is no longer valid, because market has broke the trend line and the trend line is no longer acting as a support for the market. Okay, so right now what should be our strategy for euro USD then? So you can see that okay, almost the levels are intact here, but the importance has changed right now. Okay, previously this trend line was acting as a support for the market. It was acting as a dynamic support for the market, and due to heavy selling pressure, this dynamic support is no longer valid. Okay, therefore we can just remove it. Okay, if you want, then you can also remove it. Or on the other hand, okay, 1.1900, which was acting as a strong resistance for the market, is still standing tall as the valid resistance for the market. But right now you can see that the current market price is far away from this level. Therefore we do not need to discuss about this. And euro USD is going down, dollar is going up. So there is a good possibility that euro USD will be seeing some selling pressure again. Okay, and it will be witnessing the same selling pressure, and there is a possibility that market will be coming down to take support at this level, 1.1800. This is the next support for the euro USD chart. And if you are thinking that you should go for a buy here, okay, if you're planning to go for a buy here, then your stop loss will be below this line, and this will be your take profit target. So if you go for a buy here, then yes, your risk to reward ratio will be in your favor, but your risk is very much, you are taking this much risk, and moreover there is no proper logic also to go for a buy here. There is no logic to place a buy order. On the other hand, if you are planning to short the market here right now, then you can see that this is your take profit target, this is your stop loss, and your risk to reward ratio does not match. So right now market is in the middle. Don't do anything. If you have already short the market, then you are in profit right now, enjoy the profit. But if you are looking for a fresh opportunity or fresh trading window on the chart of euro USD, then my dear friend, I'll tell you that you need to wait for some time. You need to wait for the market to come down and take support at this level, 1.1800. So when market will be hitting this level, okay, see, dollar is right now going up, and as we all know, market doesn't go up in a straight line. Market always goes up in a zigzag pattern. So eventually dollar will be coming down to take risk, and at that particular point of time, just check the position of euro USD. If you find euro USD taking support at this level, 1.1800 level, then that's a good opportunity to go for buy order. Just make sure you are getting the confirmation with the help of candlestick, and the candlestick pattern that you need to check is a hammer pattern, price rejection from below, or a bullish engulfing pattern. If you see market taking support at this level, then you can go for buy. Okay, and apart from this level, the weekly support and the other levels are quite far away, so we do not need to discuss about the levels that are not important for today and tomorrow. Okay, and this is it, my dear friends. And if you check the Forex sentiment meter here, you'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashajarika.com under Forex 101 section. In the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 59% traders have taken short position and 40% retail traders have taken long position. So 40% retail traders are still thinking that market will be going up now. So do not follow the crowd, trade with proper analysis. You have clearly understood that right now market is in the middle. Don't do anything. Wait for the market to come down to the support of 1.1800. If market bounces, then only go for buy order. And my dear friends, recently I have launched a Pro Trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis, where I'll be sharing the best trading opportunities on the market with you. If you are interested, then just go through all the information here and click on the Pro Trader button on my website. You will get all the information. So this is it. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. Bye bye.